About 6 months ago, I installed this Kohler faucet with a clicker drain stopper. Then one day the stopper completely jammed and refused to push down. When I tried forcing it, it snapped right off, and I even found 2 small pieces down in the P-trap. I thought I'd permanently broken the sink, but after doing some research, the fix is actually really simple.
Cool.
First, take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull the main stopper assembly straight up and out of the drain pipe. Since the drain pipe is made of plastic, it doesn't require excessive force to pull out or slide back in. After just 6 months of daily use, dirt and grime build up inside and cause the mechanism to stick and fail. Before reassembling, make sure to clean off all that buildup. Once it's clean, you can see how the mechanism works. It's actually a pretty simple design made with plastic and stainless steel, which looks like it should last a long time. Simply snap the plastic cover back onto the assembly. Push down firmly until it seats. I prefer using my hands here instead of pliers so I don't accidentally crack the plastic. Push the whole assembly back down into the drain pipe. Now for a quick test. And it works perfectly. If you ever run into this issue in the future, just rotate the stopper cover counterclockwise to remove it, then use your pliers to pull out the internal assembly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick DIY fixes.